Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very impressive movement today, although the last 30 minutes has now kind of thrown a big question mark into things. Last 30 minutes, big volume bar, big red candle. So does that mean it's the end of the road? Absolutely not. Of course not. One candle doesn't all of a sudden guarantee anything. But is it at least a valid, is it at least a rational thought to start to have of, okay, something may not be right here? Yeah, absolutely it is. Now, the one positive note from all this is, even though as crazy as things got, the price did stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average, and that was an area of resistance before today, which is good to see because there's a foundational rule in technical analysis which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And so far, so good. That level is indeed acting as a support. Although if that level cannot quite hold up, the next level that I'll be very curious about if the price does drift down there is that little gap area right around the 385 mark. So if this, again, 200 period moving average pink line doesn't quite hold at the 386.50, the next key level I'd be very curious about is right down there around 385. And then, of course, you have the moving average down here, that 50 period moving average, which is now beginning to curl back upwards. So if the price were to come down here and then get down to that purple line and break down through there, at that point, that'd be a pretty big red flag. Not saying that's what's going to happen, but at that point, things would be looking very, very shaky as far as, this current bullishness was concerned today. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right here. All about this area right up here around $3, or not $3, $390. So keep an eye on that. But really the main dynamic now, in my opinion, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but seeing if this pullback here is the start of something much bigger, or if things are just going to turn themselves right around. So it'll be very interesting on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.